Want Gemini to interact with your screen automatically? You can control that with screen automation. Here's how it works. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings. Then tap on Screen Automation. Here, you'll see three options. The first is Allow Always. This lets Gemini interact with your screen automatically, without asking every time. The second is Ask Every Time. Gemini will ask for your permission before taking any action. The third is Don't Allow. This completely disables screen interaction. Choose the option that fits your preference. If you want convenience, choose Allow Always. If you want more control, choose Ask Every Time. And if you prefer privacy, choose Don't Allow. And that's how to manage screen automation in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.